Zara. What are you eating today?
I want to see Zara eating ice cream.
You want to see Zara eating ice cream? Okay. Now, Zara, have you enjoyed yourself on the big ship?
Yeah.
Where were you?
Baby ice cream.
Did Baby Einstein's? That's all you did. What about being? Do you remember where we were on the beach?
Yeah.
Where were we? What was the name of the beach?
Bahamas.
Bahamas. Very good. And did you see birds on the beach?
Yeah.
What are the name of the birds on the
I
beach?
chased the seagulls.
You chased the seagulls. Very good. And what's your favorite thing on the big ship? All the music? Mmm. Do you like the what?
Band.
The band. Are they your friends? Oh. Okay, I'm helping you. No, let me help. Okay. Okay. Zara, on the band, who sings on the band? The nice lady?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about, who else in the band?
Yeah.
More friends of yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My drummer man.
The drummer man. You like him, right?
Yeah.
And what about the man who plays the trumpet? He's pretty good too, isn't he?
I also like my Uncle Tommy Rock.
You also like your Uncle Tommy Rock. We know that. And I think everybody on the ship knows too. Wow. Was that an M&M?
You want your dessert now, ma'am?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I have an ice cream.
Oh, you have an ice cream.
Give
me some.
Are you going to share? Are you going to share? I'm not so sure she's going to get it. She's thinking about it. Oh, you're sharing.
Ooh.
Very. Oh, wow. Wow.
Nice. Thank you, eh?
Thank you. I can't believe she even offered you some.
She did, eh?
Pretty gutsy. I don't know. Usually we don't get anything. Wow, you're a lucky kid on the ship having fun. What's the name of the ship? Zara? Zara, is it Celebrity? What's the name of the ship?
Mercury.
Celebrity.
Mercury. Say Mercury.
Mercury.
The Mercury? The Celebrity Mercury?
Do you like the ship?
Yeah, we already asked her about the band. Where did you go to the beach? What was the beach name?
Bahamas.
Bahamas.
Nice,
He's got it.
Nice. You've been in Nassau, Bahamas.
Nassau, Bahamas, right? And where do you live, Zara? Zara, where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live, Zara?
Zara,
She's
you want a
from
crummer,
Sweden.
don't you?
Bucket.
It's a crummer.
You want this?
Don't worry, I have crummers at home.
Yeah.
Because I used to work in a restaurant, so I have my own crummer.
Are you a Bahama mama?
Oh.
Where are you from, Sarah?
Zara, where do you live? What do you say? You say, I live...
Korea.
No, not that again.
Korea?
No, I know what she keeps saying.
She makes up words.
She makes up her own words.
Where?
What?
Where?
Where do you live? Zara, where do you live?
Everywhere.
Oh, you're no fun. You live in you say, I live in...